Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you the easiest way to know if someone blocked you on Facebook, okay? So here is Facebook and I'm going to search for someone that blocked me. For example, this person blocked me. So make sure to download Messenger if you don't have it already. So when you go to your messages, you see here at the very bottom, you see this person is unavailable on Messenger. This person blocked me, and whenever I try to click on their profile, as you can see here, this content isn't available. This person 100% blocked me for no reason. Okay, so the second method, guys, is to search their username in the top, like search their username and see if you can see them in the search results. If you don't see them, that means this person probably not really sure if this person blocked you, but you can make sure by using the second method that I'm about to show you right now. So if you don't see their username, it doesn't show up in the search result, that means this person has blocked you. You can make sure by giving that name to your friend or someone you know, or you can just create a new account as a test to test it and search their name on your new account. Okay, when you create a new account, search their name search their name in the search result and see if it shows up here. If it does show up on your new account but it doesn't show up on your old account, that person this blocked you 100%. But there is only one way to make sure 100% this person blocked you is to create a new Facebook account or give the name of the person that you think has blocked you to your friend. And if it shows up in their if your friend tells you that their profile shows up in the search results, that means this person didn't block you. But there are people who make their account private, like there are people who make their Facebook account not private, like deactivate their Instagram, their Facebook account. So when they just